Hello again. In this video, we'll be talking about connecting to an AI agent. Before we go step by step, here's the whole thing on a single screen. Your agent sits on one side. HaasOnline Cloud sits on the other. Between them is one line of text. An HTTPS endpoint. api.haasbot.com/mcp. It's the same for every user, and it is not the address you log in at. Get that one string right, and most of the work is already done. From there, it's 4 steps. First, check the plan. MCP access is included on Standard, Pro, and TradeServer. It isn't on Starter. And for Claude Desktop specifically, you'll need a paid Claude subscription as well. Second, open the page. In the Cloud sidebar, AI agent, then connect an agent. Every method sits side by side on that one screen. Third, pick a route. Claude Desktop takes the endpoint through settings and connectors. Claude Code takes a single command. Cursor and VS Code are one click. Fourth, authorize. Your browser opens, you sign in, you approve. That's the handshake, and your exchange keys are never part of it. Then, the part worth pausing on, what the agent may actually do. It reads your bots, your orders, your logs, and your wallets, and it can write scripts, run backtests, and drive labs. What it cannot do is place a trade, move funds, or start and stop your bots. Those stay with you in the platform. 60 tool calls a minute, 20 heavy operations an hour. And if it won't connect, work down 3 things in order. The endpoint, your HaasOnline plan, then your Claude plan. That's the full picture. 1 endpoint, 4 steps, and a clear line around what the agent can touch. Now let's walk through each step in detail. Everything you need lives on one page. In the Cloud sidebar, open AI agent, then connect an agent. This page gives you every connection method side by side, one-click buttons, a command line option, and the raw endpoint, plus a summary of exactly what an agent will be able to see. We'll be connecting to Claude Desktop. To do this, start by copying https://api.haasbot.com/mcp to your clipboard. Now the one most of you are here for, Claude Desktop. It's 3 steps. Open Claude Desktop and go to Settings. Find connectors in the sidebar and choose Add at the top right then. Select Add Custom Connector at the bottom of the list. Into the URL field, paste the HaasOnline endpoint, api.haasbot.com/mcp. Take a second and check it. This is the number one thing people get wrong. It is not the address you log in at, and it's not your account's dashboard URL. It's the API endpoint, and it's the same for every user. Give the connector a name you'll recognize. HaasBot Cloud works fine, and click Add. Claude will now hand you off to your browser to authorize. Sign into your HaasOnline account, review what's being requested, and approve it. That's the whole handshake. It's worth understanding what just happened, because it matters. That was OAuth 2.1 with PKCE, the same mechanism that lets an app read your calendar or your repositories. Exchange API keys are never shared with the agent, not once. The MCP server authenticates on your behalf using short-lived tokens that refresh automatically in the background. You are not handing an AI model the keys to your Exchange accounts. So, what can it actually do? On the read side, quite a lot. Your bots and their live runtime, open orders and positions, logs and profit reports, your Haas scripts, backtests, labs, market data, and your wallet and portfolio. It can also create and run backtests and labs for you, and write and compile scripts. What it cannot do is the part that costs you money. It cannot place or cancel trades. It cannot move or withdraw funds. And it cannot start or stop your bots. Those actions stay with you, on the platform. Here's where it gets useful. Ask it, list my active bots and their profit over the last 30 days, and it pulls the reports itself. Ask, why did my grid bot stop taking entries yesterday? Check the logs. And it reads the logs and reasons about them. Ask it to run a backtest over a period you choose and tell you whether the results actually hold up, and it will run it, read the output, and give you an honest read rather than a wall of numbers. The trick is to talk to it the way you'd brief a colleague who has full access to your account. Be specific about which bot, which market, which period. Watch the Claude Desktop Cowork video to give Claude even more HaasBot knowledge via a Cowork project instruction prompt and skills MD files. Until next time. Thanks for watching, and if you need any further assistance or want to explore more features, be sure to check out our documentation at help.haasonline.com or join the community on Discord at haas.bot/discord. Happy trading.